Hello everyone, this is Tripti Satsangi from IIPS DAVV, currently in 7th semester. Today I want to tell you about my project Online Attendance System which I had done under the guidance of Dr. Vivek Shrivastava sir. So as we all know, today's classes are going in online mode, and teachers really faces issues in taking attendance. So I have made this system which records students' attendance in online classes by recognizing their faces and then mark their attendance in the spreadsheet. And the major technologies which I have used in this system are data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision. Let's see them one by one. First is data analytics. Data analysis is the process of systematically applying statistical or logical techniques to describe and illustrate and evaluate data. Second is machine learning. Machine learning is the science of getting computers to act without being explicitly programmed. It simply means that machine learns from the data fed into it and predicts about the new data of that type with the help of algorithms. There are three types of machine learning. First is supervised learning, second is unsupervised learning, and third is reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, we provide labeled data, and in unsupervised learning, we provide unlabeled data. And in reinforcement learning, it learns from itself. The model learns from itself. Next is application of machine learning. Nowadays, we are seeing that there are so many applications around us of machine learning. First is recommendation system. How we are getting the recommendations on Netflix or YouTube or other apps like that. This all are happening because of the machine learning. Next is automatic car driving. How it is going on means how the Tesla, Google, how they are making their automatic vehicles. This is also done with the help of machine learning. Machine learning is also used in diagnosis like predicting cancer cell in the human body and in voice assistant app like Cortana, Alexa, Siri and Google. Next technology which I have used is deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning and artificial intelligence that imitates the way human get certain type of knowledge. And the heart or the most important thing of deep learning on which deep learning is based is the neural network. Neural networks are the set of algorithms modeled loosely after the human brains that are designed to recognize pattern. Also, you can see from the diagram that deep learning is subset of machine learning and machine learning is subset of artificial intelligence. Next is computer vision. Computer vision is the field of artificial intelligence that enables computers and systems to derive meaningful information from digital images, videos, and other visual inputs. The main neural network which generally used in computer vision is convolution neural network. Computer vision is somehow situated between the machine learning and the deep learning. Next, I'll discuss about the models which I have used in my project. There are three models which I have used in it. First is MTCNN model, which I have used for face detection, FaceNet model to get the face embeddings, and SPM model to get the face recognized. Let's see them also one by one. First is MTCNN model or multitask cascaded convolution neural network. It is a framework developed as a solution for both face detection and face alignments. This process consists of three stages of convolution networks that are able to recognize faces and landmark locations such as eyes, nose, and mouth. So let's see its stages. There are three stages. So first is the proposal network, PNet. This first stage is fully convolution network. It outputs the bounding box vector which is further refined. And now this bounding box vector is the given to RNet as input which outputs whether the input is face or not. RNet consists of convolution neural network, not fully connect convolution network. Next is the output network. This stage is similar to RNet, but this output network aims to describe the face in more specific or more detail and outputs the five facial landmarks. like position of eyes, nose and mouth. Here is the diagram in which the different layers of a PNet, RNet and ONet is given. Next is FaceNet model. So FaceNet model simply takes the face detected by the MTCNN as input and outputs the face embeddings with the help of Euclidean distance. So let's see in more detail about FaceNet. FaceNet is one-shot model. One-shot learning can be implemented using Simon's network. That means it has two identical neural network with exactly same weight but taking two distinct input. That directly learns a mapping from face image to compact Euclidean distance, where distance directly correspond to the measure of face similarity. Now let's see the architecture of the FaceNet. FaceNet has 22-layer deep neural network that directly trains its output to be 128-dimensional embeddings. The loss function used at last layer is called triplet loss. Let's see the last model, SVM model, which stands for Support Vector Machine. It is the one of the most popular used model in supervised learning for classification as well as regression problem. In machine learning, the goal of SVM algorithm is to create the best line or the best decision boundary that can segregate n-dimensional space in the classes so that we can easily put the new data item in the correct category in future. And this is known as hyperplane. So as you can see in the diagram, this hyperplane or this is the boundary which separates the data points of different categories. So when the new point comes or the new data comes, then whether it is coming in this area or means left hand side of the hyperplane or on the right hand side of the hyperplane, it can predict or depicts whether the point belonging to the first class or the second class, that is on right hand side class or left hand side class. So this was all about the models which I have used in my project MTCNN, FaceNet and SVM models. Thank you so much. This was all about my project online attendance system. Thank you.